Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Necessary Period, and I'm back with another video. As y'all can see from today's title, you guys, this video is in collaboration with Arabella. So thank you guys so much for sending me over this bomb pickable bob, baby, because as you can see, the bob is definitely bobbing. It's giving girls grown, classy, and beautiful. Okay, period. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, turn on post notifications to my channel to get notified every time a girl posts a brand new video. And like I've been saying in the past 1, 2, 3 of my videos, the hair videos are dwindling down. Once y'all see what I have coming for you guys, y'all are gonna be like, oh yeah, that's why she was doing so much sponsored videos. Okay, period. But let's get right into today's video.
She won't waste no time. They wanna know about the girl them, about the girl them, about the girl them. But she gon' slide right to my. She won't waste no time. I want she and they love them some me. I can't even speak to all of them, so I call her on the. She gon' pick up on the first ring. We got her right around my damn finger. I will never tell her so. Oh no no. Bring it back.
Okay y'all, so this is the final product of the hair, you guys. I just went ahead and like bumped the ends a little bit, y'all, because I was feeling this bob. Like I really wanted a bob, but I wanted to do like an asymmetrical bob. But y'all know I'm not no pro in doing my hair, so I didn't want to go attempt to cut it and then like mess it up or anything like that. So I just decided to, I seen I think it was Princess J did this hairstyle for her birthday, so I was like, let me just try it and see how it would look. And as y'all can tell, like I'm feeling myself very much with this bob. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to check the link down in the description box to check out the links to this hair down below. Thank you guys so much to Arabella Hair for partnering up with me in today's video once again, and thank y'all again for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye you guys.